Hey, what's going on? I'm back with another great video because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with ClickBank, but it's going to be absolutely free. So it's not going to cost you any money. You don't need to worry about paid ads, paid advertisement for anything. So I'm going to show you a free method, a method that it's working right now, and you can get started with this as soon as you watch this video. So don't try to skip ahead because you're going to miss out on the most important thing. So I'm not going to take up too much of your time. I'm going to make this as short and straight to the point as possible and show you how you can make money on ClickBank with free traffic. So this is completely free. So let's do this. Hey, if it's your first time here, I want to say welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and I go into details and express and show you how you can get started with various make money online opportunities. So if you like videos like this about how to make money or the newest or the hottest tip, make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell notification. So every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So the method I'm going to share with you in this video, it can work for any company. It can work for any product, not only for ClickBank, because I know I'm talking about ClickBank in this video, but you can use the same method with other different companies as well. Now, this is something that is going on really good. I've been following a few people that are doing this right now. So it's not about you have to go out there and create videos and putting your face on it because you don't have to do any of that stuff. You don't need to do all that. I'm just going to go into details and show you how it's done. And I'm going to show you two methods that you can do this. So the first thing you want to do, you want to create an account. So create a ClickBank account or whatever website that you want to use that you want to promote. And once you grab an affiliate link, you could come down here and the reason why I'm using this particular niche, I'm going to the spirituality, new age, and alternative niche. And the reason why, because this thing is one of the most lucrative hidden gem that most people don't even tap into. And I know people that are crushing it right now in this field. Some of these products, you have to reach out to them personally so they can give you affiliate links and all that stuff. Because, for example, this one, if you try to click on it, they're not going to approve any and everybody to promote this particular product. And if you come down here, right, you could find different products. So this one here is brand new 2020 manifestation, and manifestation is always a good thing. So you could click on it and we could see what it looks like. We could take a look and see the video. So how to magically manifest real spendable cash starting in the next 24 hours. Now this thing has been going on for a while. It's been on ClickBank. There's over 175 people who sold this. So if this is something that you want to promote, go ahead. If it's not something that you don't want to do, well, keep looking. Come down here and keep searching. You can click on this one where you can get 75% of whoever signs up. So this right here, it gives you some more in-depth information, and especially with certain traffic, these page convert very nicely. So they convert very nicely because most people like to read to find out more about the actual product before they even go out there, promote it, or even sell anything. So if you want to promote this particular product, they have a lot of upsells. So the first initial sale would be $12.33. And then after that, there's going to be more upsells, and you can make money from every time you refer someone, which is pretty cool. So now we find the product. The next thing we're going to do is start to find videos and advertise. So we want to go to Pixels. So pixels.com, it's a free royalty website that you can find various videos. You can find tons of videos that you can use, you can re-upload. So here we want to go with we can go with, let's say we go with ocean. So we'll go with ocean wave. We can go with ocean waves. Now we could download these videos. We could play this one. This is 10 seconds long. Perfect. Because we really don't need these videos too long. What we're going to do, we're going to be adding text to these videos. And then when we put these videos out there, then, hey, there will be more videos like this and people will want to do this. Like this one, people have been using it. This is 28 seconds. Perfect. Even a little bit longer than the first one. So we're going to find these videos. And when we find these videos, we're going to download it. So we're going to download them. We're going to go with ocean. We can go with birds. And this has nothing to upload videos on YouTube. So stick with me here. It could be birds and anything. Once you do that, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to sign up for TikTok. And if some of you haven't been on TikTok yet, what are you waiting for? Now, most of you probably say, well, it's only people on there dancing and making comedy and funny videos. No, if you start to discover and you tap into this, you'll find that there's a whole new world that you've never find before. There's travel. Look at this. There's travel. There's savage love, rags to riches, old streets, treat your pet. You can even build a TikTok videos around different videos of pets. So the reason why we put numerology, because we're going to grow this so different people can find different things to really go out there and they would like the video. For example, hang on one second, let me find this for you so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so now there's like multiple different niche that you can find. And all you got to do is just put up these videos. So even if you go to the discover section and you come through here, you'll see different styles of what people are uploading right now. So you could come through here and you can grab these videos. And when you grab these videos, you could just start uploading them. So you have to be super aggressive on the first. So let's say the first for the first 21 days, you just post videos. Keep posting, using hashtags, keep posting. Even look at this, treat your dogs. Everything about doggies right here. So some of these creators, they're monetizing their TikTok right now. They're putting in affiliate links here and there, especially if they have dogs, and people who follow these pages, guess what? They're going to buy their doggy stuff. So if you create, a neurology page, it doesn't have to be neurology, but it could be anything in terms of like the spirituality, and then you put calm music, you put a few words on there, and the words could be, you know, if you're going through a hard time, watch this video. Or maybe if you want to manifest wealth, this is what you need to listen to. So it's really cool that people are tapping into different niche. I'm on TikTok. I use it a lot. There's so many different things. So you can get fish here on Pixels. You can get food. You can get aquarium. Right now, let me see. Numbers. Let me see. Numerology. If I type in numerology right now, there's no videos, but there's 3 users that is going up with numerology. But if I type in numbers, let's see if there's any numbers. There's videos. There's some videos right here. So numerology, you can use these numbers as well. Use these clock, because these numbers, they have meaning when it comes to numerology. All these numbers have meanings. So you can grab these videos, upload them, put them on TikTok, have it go for some time. As soon as you get 1,000 followers, then you can pop your link right at the top. And that's all you got to do is just keep uploading videos, right? Keep uploading videos. If you want to do 2 videos a day, so you could do that, and you can start to promote ClickBank products. You can promote other products as well from other networks, and you can start making money. People even use TikTok to collect leads over and over again. So that's all you got to do is just keep doing your thing consistently, make money. You can sign up for Warrior Plus as well if you want to do that. So you can sign up for ClickBank, you can sign up for Warrior Plus, promote some products from Warrior Plus using the same method. If you want to do some make money online stuff, you could do that. And create it, build it, put it together, and just keep uploading it. So I hope this video helps. All right, if you got any questions, just drop them down below. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.